the best waterfall that I've ever seen. What's up, guys? Josh, Straight, and Timothy here. And we are in the Catskill Mountains in New York, and we're about to hike up and see this waterfall, the Kaaterskill Falls. I think we're going to the viewing platform. Now, this was kind of a long hike, so I did speed it up a bit and cut out some of the walk, just to save time in the video. And we also made sure to use poop baggies as responsible pet owners in the forest. I hear waterfalls. How amazing is this? Kaaterskill Falls is a two-stage waterfall on Spruce Creek in the eastern Catskill Mountains of New York. The two cascades are totaled at over 260 feet in height, making Kaaterskill Falls one of the highest waterfalls in New York and also one of the highest waterfalls in the eastern United States. Hold on to your kiki bot. This is some serious water. So this is like the top of the waterfall. Oh my god. This is so high up. We're standing at the top of the waterfall right now. And Reiki's about to like pull me down the mountain. What do you think? The top of the falls. I want to figure out how I get down there where those people are. This place is gorgeous, darling. So we're not sure where this trail goes, but we're trying to figure out how to get down the hill to the other side of the waterfall. There are parts of this trail that is wheelchair accessible. This isn't one of them. We weren't exactly sure which trail to follow, but we were eventually able to find our way down to the lower part of the waterfall. I love you. This sign back there just said that there's 180 steps leading down to the lower falls. So we're getting our steps in today. Here we go. Look how pretty this trail is. Reagan just tried to pee on that lady's leading against that rock back there. I was like, oh my god. And I yanked his chain. If you're planning a trip to the Kaaterskill Falls, just a little heads up, it is very wet. You might want to bring an umbrella or a rain poncho, or just keep a towel in the car because it is a very wet trail. At the start of this video, I was Kaaterskill Falls was a great hiking experience, and there's a lot more to see than what I showed in this video. I would highly recommend it if you're in the Catskill Mountains to take a detour and check out this beautiful waterfall. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to let me know down in the comments section. You can go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me over on TikTok, where I upload new videos every day, sharing my life and my experiences of traveling across America and living out of a car. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.